how much oil consumption is too much oil consumption? We have been struggling with this, both as drivers, technicians, and even engineers, because oil consumption is a critical metric for the health of the engine. How much oil goes through every 1,000 miles is critical, because that oil that either makes it past the piston rings or through the intake valve, thanks to the positive crankcase ventilation system, well, that has to end up somewhere. It can burn and then cause carbon deposits inside the combustion chamber, or it could even poison and contaminate the catalytic converter. So, is 1,000 miles for 1 quart of oil to be burned too much? Probably. But for what you're working on, look at the service information on how to measure the oil consumption for a vehicle. A lot of the OEMs, well, they have very strict tests to determine the amount of miles and the amount of oil being burned. But oil being consumed is not a good thing. It could be a sign that the piston rings have gummed up and there's carbon deposits preventing them from sealing. This is a particular problem with low friction oil seals on pistons. But make sure you're working with the customer to have them come back to measure that oil consumption, to make sure that their engine is operating properly. And if there's not, there's further diagnosis that you need to do with the positive crankcase ventilation system and even the piston rings. But don't forget maintenance. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.